Jai Swaminarayan friends. In last one or two video lecture we start the topic relation and discuss some sums. Other examples. In this video lecture also we discussing the other examples. Look here, first sum. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 elements. First we find A cross A. 1, 1, 2, 6, 6. 6, 6 are 36. Total 36 brackets is here. Right? Okay. Now our condition is what? Relation is what? S equal to curly bracket xy where x is divisible by y. X is divisible by y. That means first element x, second element y. First x, second y. 4 is divisible by 2. Right? But 2, 4 is not possible. Because 2 is not divisible by 4. 2 by 4 answer 1 by 2. Not exactly remainder 0. Clear? So 4 divisible by 2 possible, but 2 divisible by 4 not possible. Because exactly divisible, that is remainder 0. Okay. Now we write the brackets. First, total 36 brackets. Now first bracket 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6, 6. All the brackets same elements are possible. Yeah, because 4 is divisible by 4, 6 is divisible by 6, 5 is divisible by 5. Right? So this is your reflexive relation must satisfy all the elements 1 to 6 compulsory 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 present. Okay, so reflexive relation is possible. Clear? Okay. Now first line 1, 1 is possible. 1, 2 is not possible because 1 is not divisible by 2. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 not possible. Second line 2, 1 is possible. And 2, 2 is possible. Yeah. 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6 not possible. 3, 1 is possible. 3, 1. 3, 2 is not possible. 3, 3 is here. 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6 is not possible. 4, 1 is possible. 4, 2 is possible. Right? 4, 3 is not possible. 4, 4 is possible. Right? 5, 1 is possible. 5, 2 is not possible. 5, 3 is not possible. 5, 4 is not possible. 5, 5 possible. 5, 6 is not possible. Now 6, 1 is possible. 6, 2 is possible. 6, 3 is possible. And 6, 6 is present here. Okay? This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 14 brackets satisfy this condition. X is divisible by Y. Is that clear? Okay. Now we check the property, 3 property. First one, reflexive. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. Reflexive satisfied. Clear? Same elements are present here. Now symmetric. Symmetric. What's the rule of symmetric? Converse the element. AB converts the BA. If AB bracket XY is possible, then converse YX is also possible if symmetric. Okay? Check here. Here 2, 1, but 1, 2 is not possible. Here 4, 2, 2, 4 is not here. 5, 1, 1, 5 is not here. So symmetric is not possible. Okay. Now third property, check here, transitivity property. Transitivity. Suppose here, this one, 4, 1, 1, 1. Common elements 1, 1 cancel. 4, 1 is possible here. 6, 2, 2, 2. 6, 2, 2, 2. Common element 2, 2. Cancel. So 6, 2 is here. Yeah. 6, 3, 3, 1. Common element 3, 3. Cancel. 6, 1 is possible. Yeah, here. Our relation transitive, that is what? AB relation CD. AB relation CD and CD relation AB. Then CD is common cancel. So AB relation EF. Here EF. Right? Okay. We check here. This one is 6, 3. 6, 3. Right? And here anyone? First element of 3. Here this one. 3, 3. Common cancel. 6, 3 is present here. Okay. Again repeat. 6, 3. And 3, 1 is here. Common element cancel. 6, 1 is present here. Yeah. This one. Second one check, anyone? Suppose 6, 6. 6, 6. It is your AB. Now, here second element is 6. Now we check here 6, 3, 6, 2. Suppose we take 6, 2. Common cancel. 6, 2. Present here. Suppose we take here 6, 3. Again 6, 6 cancel. 6, 3 present here. Right? Again 6, 1. Third bracket here. So 6, 6 cancel. 6, 1 is here. Is it clear? So first one, which one? First property, reflexive, possible. Second, second symmetric, not possible. Third, transitivity, possible. Clear? Okay. Now second one. Second example. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 15. Total 15 elements. Now we find A cross A. 15 15s are 225. So total bracket in A cross A is 1, 1, 2, 15, 15, 225 brackets. Clear? Okay. Now our relation is S equal to XY where such that Y equal to 5X where XY belongs to A. Okay. We write here X but Y equal to 5X. Y equal to 5X. Right? Okay. Now put here value. Here second element is the 5 times of the first element. 5x is the second element, is the 5 times of the first element. Okay. Now check here. Which the bracket present here? 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 not possible because if we write here 1 1 our condition is second element is the 5 times of the first element, so it's not possible here. So 1 1 2 2 3 3 up to last element 15 15 not possible. Okay, which one possible? First one 1 5, right? Second one 2 10, 1 5 2 10, third bracket 3 15, fourth 4 20 not possible because last element is 50. Right? So only 3 bracket is possible. Only 3. This is your not reflexive because same number of elements is not present here. Clear? So not reflexive. We check symmetry. 1 5 possible. 5 1 is not possible. 2 10 possible. 10 2 is not possible. So symmetric also not possible. Now transitivity 1 5. Now other brackets relation of 5 is possible? No. 2 10. Other brackets of first element 10 is present here? No. So 2 10 possible but next bracket is not possible. Right? 3 15. So 15 is the second element. Now second bracket first element of 15 is not here present. Right? So transitivity is also not possible. Not symmetric, not transitivity and not reflexive. Clear? Third one. A equal to 5 6 7 8. A cross A total 4 elements, cross multiplication, total 4 4s are 16 bracket possible. How many? 16, 5 5 2 8 8. Right? Our question is already given. Relation is in this bracket is already given. S equal to 5 6 6 6 5 5 8 8 5 7 7 7 and 7 6. This is our question. We only verify this is your reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Only check it. Right? First we check the reflexive. What's the condition of the reflexive? Same element. Here 5 to 8. So 5 5 compulsory. 6 6 compulsory. 7 7 compulsory. 8 8 compulsory. Check here. 5 5 is present. 6 6 present. 7 7 is present. Yeah. 8 8 is also present. So reflexive is possible. Now symmetric is possible. Converse. 5 6 is here. 6 5 is not present. 5 7 is here. 7 5 is not present. 7 6 is possible. 6 7 is not possible. Not here. Clear? So symmetric is not possible. Now transitivity. Check here. Transitivity. 5 6 6 6. Common element cancel 6. 5 6. Here. Clear? Okay. Again. 5 5 5 5. Here 5 7. Common element 5 cancel. 5 7 is here. 5 7 is here. 7 6. 7 6 and 6 6. 6 is the common. 7 6 is here. 7 7 and 7 6. Common element 7 cancelled. 7 6 is here. Is that clear? Here 8 8, but not is here present here 8 of the statement. Clear? Okay. Clear? So 5 6 relation 6 6. So 5 6 is here. Is that clear? Suppose 5 5 check here, and here 5 7. 5 is a common, so 5 7 is here. Again 5 5 and 5 6. This one say AB and this one say BC. A B, A relation to B, B relation to C. Common element B cancel, so 5 6 is possible. Is that clear? Okay, this relation is reflexive, not symmetric, but transitivity. Is that clear? Okay. Next example. Here our R cross R. Our portion is R cross R. We are write the directly R cross R. Millions bracket here. 0 0 minus 1 by 2 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 by 3 1 by 3 etc. Is that clear? Okay. Now our relation is S equal to AB such that, most important, look here, AB such that 1 plus AB is greater than 0. Multiply by these two numbers and add 1. Add 1. Answer is greater than 0. Clear? Okay. Now check here. Suppose first way our mind is which relation? Reflexive. So same element possible here. 0 0 1 1 2 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 7. Check here. A B. Put here A into B. 0. 1 plus 0 greater than 0. 1 1. A into B. 1 into 1 1. 1 plus 1 2. You take any positive number here. So answer also positive. Clear? But if both the same element, both the sign negative. Minus 3 into minus 3, answer 9. 9 positive. Positive plus 1, answer positive. Again minus minus plus here. Clear? So you can say any bracket, but condition is same number. Clear? So reflexive is possible. Because our condition of the reflexive property, same elements, same number of elements, same elements and same sign. Clear? Here, this one is not possible. Clear? Okay. So reflexive is possible. Now we check transitivity. Symmetric. Symmetric also possible. Suppose we take 1 by 2 and minus 1. Converse 1 and 1 by 2 possible. Because multiply by these two terms. Multiply by these two terms. 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 positive. 1 by 2 plus 1 positive. Suppose we take here minus 1 by 2 and 3. Possible here. Multiply by this 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and 3. So multiply minus 3 by 2. Put here minus 3 by 2. 1 minus 3 by 2. So this bracket is not possible. We do not take here this bracket. Okay. Again here, suppose 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. Check here. We check the property symmetric. So converts the element. Okay. Multiply by these two numbers. Minus 1 by 9. Put here minus 1 by 9. 1 minus 1 by 9. We take LCM. 9 minus 1. 8 by 9. Positive. Now converts. So minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 is also possible. Is that clear? So you can say any one bracket and converts the same bracket possible. So symmetric property is also possible. Is that clear? Now we check the transitivity property. Transitivity property, right? So here 1 by 3, 1 by 2. 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 2 we take here. Then minus 1 by 2 and minus 8. Check here. Otherwise plus 8. Check here. Multiply by these two number. Multiply by these two number. 1 by minus 1 by 6. 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 minus 1. 5 by 6. Positive. Here minus, multiply by these two number. Minus 1 by 2 into 8. So answer is minus 4. So we do not, this one is not possible. So we minus sign. Check here. Minus 1 by 2 and minus 8. Answer is 4. Add this 1. 1 plus 4. 5. Positive. So these two bracket, A relation B, this one is possible. In this curly bracket S. Right? A relation to B possible? Yeah. B relation to C possible? Yeah. Now check A relation C is possible. If yes, so transitivity is possible. If no, transitivity is not possible. Okay? Now check here. A relation B, B relation C, common element cancel. So 1 by 3 and minus 8. Check the multiplication and add 1. Multiplication of this two number, minus 8 by 3. Add 1. Here. A into B. A into B. Okay? Now cross multiplication. Answer is like less than 0. Not possible. Clear? So, first one reflexive is possible. Second one, 1 by 2, 1 possible. Also 1 and 1 by 2 also possible. That is symmetric is possible. But transitivity is not possible because A relation B possible, B relation C possible. Third bracket, A relation C is not possible. So transitivity is not possible. Clear? Okay. We discuss another two different example. Different example. Here n cross n. Million pairs. 1, 1, 2, 2, anyone. Positive natural number. AB relation CD. Double implication. Condition is what? A plus D equal to B plus C. First plus last, second equal to second plus third. Exactly same here. But here our universal set is Z minus 0 cross Z minus 0. We take positive and negative number, but we do not take 0. Okay? Here is condition AB, relation CD, relation R or S, any one symbol. AB relation CD, double implication, multiply first and last equal to second and third. Clear? In this chapter, this is your last two sum. Then completed the chapter. Okay? Okay, now discuss. First property is reflexive. Reflexive. AB relation AB. Reflexive, that is same element. AB relation AB. What's the double implication? First plus last equal to second plus third. Double implication, first plus last, A plus B. Second plus third, B plus A. Same, yeah. Okay, reflexive is possible. Now second one, symmetric property. What's the meaning of symmetric? AB relation CD. Double implication, A plus D equal to B plus C, right? Okay, now converse. CD relation AB. Double implication, first plus last, C plus B equal to second plus third, D plus C. Both are same. A plus D equal to B plus C, A plus D equal to B plus C. Clear? Symmetric is also possible. We also here check here. First one. Then we check the transitivity. Reflexive. AB relation AB. Right? Here double implication. Our condition is first into last equal to second into third. First into last AB equal to second into third BA. AB equal to BA. Both are same. So reflexive is possible. Now symmetric. AB relation CD. Double implication AD equal to BC. This is your data. Now converse. CD relation AB. Double implication again, first into last, C into B, second into third, D into A. See? Is that clear? Okay. Now we check here transitivity, third property. Reflexive possible, symmetric possible. Now we check here transitivity. AB relation CD. Double implication A plus D equal to B plus C, right? Okay, then CD relation EF. Then double implication first plus last, C plus F equal to D plus E. Right? Now we prove that AB relation EF. We prove that AB relation EF, common bracket cancel. Here AB relation CD, CD relation EF, common bracket CD cancel. We prove that AB relation EF, double implication, first plus last, A plus F equal to B plus E. Is it possible or not? If possible, then transitivity relation is possible. If not, then transitivity is not possible. We check here. We get here two results. This is your first result, A plus D equal to B plus C. This is your second result, C plus F equal to D plus E. Now we add these two results. Adding these two results, LHS plus LHS, RHS plus RHS. So here A plus D, C plus F equal to B plus C plus D plus E. Right? Common cancel, D cancel. So A plus F equal to B plus C. Here A plus F equal to B plus C. We get here double implication. Double implication, that is if your data, then prove that. Otherwise if your data, then you also prove that. So we prove here A plus F equal to B plus C. Then we write also AB relation EF. Is that clear? So this is your transitivity relation also. Reflexive, symmetric and transitivity also. Now check here. Third property, transitivity. Okay. AB relation CD. So AD equal to BC. AD equal to BC. You can, double implies, you can write also A upon B. A upon B equal to C upon D. Some simplify. Now CD relation EF. So double implication, product of first and last, CF equal to DE. We can write also C upon D. This in denominator equal to E upon F. Is that clear? Okay. Now we prove that AB relation EF, double implication AF equal to BE. Okay. Here now we get here two results. This one. Compare these two. Compare. C upon D is equal portion cut. So remaining what? A upon B equal to E upon F. Right? Now cross multiplication, AF equal to BE. We get here AF equal to BE. Is that clear? So we write here AB relation EF is also possible. Okay, clear? So here this one see also reflexive, symmetric and transitivity. Clear? Now your chapter number 1, relation and function, is completed. We tried to understand most of the sum, solve the sum, and now you revision the first chapter in our book, and any doubt then ask the question. Is that clear? Thank you very much.